welcome back to our channel, Little Hands by Vaishvik and Srinithi. Today we're going to make a dino scavenger hunt. I got this dino paper right over here and
I am going to make the flashlight. So for the flashlight, we would need some crayons, we would need a paper, and we would need scissors to cut it out.
Let's get started with this dinosaur video. Okay, first I'm going to put this dino paper inside a giant Ziploc bag. And then I'm going to close it. And then I'm going to take a marker and
now I'm going to get started. Now I'm going to outline.
we have to outline all of these pictures. So then only we'll get the thing that we're looking for.
Now I'm done outlining. Now I'm going to color it. First we have to color it blue on the bottom. You can use any color you want. Now I'm done. I'm going to cut it out.
The Triceratops has like a gigantic protective shield, which I'm outlining right now. So the shield is like armor for the Triceratops. The Triceratops has like hard horns, just like the rhino. It's like a relative of the rhino. And fun fact, it has 3 horns, not only 1 or 2. It has 3 horns. No wonder some predators.
Now I'm done cutting.
Now we're all done. So the step is, you guys take out the paper which you drew. See? Now we have to color them. So right now I'm coloring in and colored this volcano. Now let's finish all of these dinosaurs. Now we're all finished coloring in. Now we need to take a black paper and put it down inside the bag. So it's same like what we did at the beginning, but now we're putting a different kind of paper. See? Now we're going to use the flashlight. 3, 2, 1. Here's how they came.
Amelia, can I try?
Okay, you could try too. Isn't it cool?
Yes. See how fun this is? If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. See you guys in the next